So let's take a look at what EURJPY is going to be giving us for the day. So this is very simple right here. You can see the trend on our EURJPY is an uptrend move, right? This is it. This is the wild trend. Remember, we have three movements, right? Three movements in the market. One is either trending to the upside, which is an uptrend move, or a downtrend move, or literally a ranging market move. These are the three movements you will most likely find in the market. Now, when you zoom it in, you see that this year's movement is an uptrend move. We are what's trending to the upside. This is very much bullish right here. Now, take a look at this right here, guys. This is our high. Here comes the higher low. This is also our higher high, and here comes the higher low. This is the higher high. This is the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high that took out this previous high. So with this movement right here, market has given us an higher low. So with this movement, we should be expecting market to push up again in the long run till it is able to pick out this high. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. Now, if you take a look at this EURJPY, you will see that EURJPY is ready for this bullish move. It is ready for the buy. So we should be expecting EURJPY to reject from this level and push up its level to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So whatever you want to be doing on your EURJPY, you want to be going in for the buy. Now, this is the support level right here, guys. This is the support zone, right? Markets was, they had gave us a rejection from a which push up, right? Now, market eventually came back to retest it. It pushed up again. Now, market has now come back to retest the same level. So with such a movement, we should expect market to reject from this level and push up again. So this is to tell you that in the long run, a bullish move is what you should be expecting. So we should be anticipating for about 130 to 140 pips potential movements right to grab on EURJPY. So make sure you subscribe so you will not miss out on the next updates.